The Vive Tall Rollator Walker is designed to accommodate individuals with heights ranging from 5 feet 5 inches to 6 feet 5 inches, offering adjustable handle heights for a personalized fit. Engineered with a lightweight aluminum frame, it weighs only 19 pounds, yet can safely support up to 300 pounds, making it both robust and portable. The Rollator features large 8-inch all-terrain wheels, providing superior support and stability across various surfaces, ensuring a smooth and comfortable journey. Its innovative design includes a compact foldable feature, allowing it to effortlessly fit into the trunk of a car or backseat, making it ideal for travel and storage. Equipped with a dual braking system, the ergonomic handles are angled to reduce hand fatigue, while providing easy access to the reliable bicycle-style handbrakes. The Vive Tall Rollator Walker is approved for health savings or flexible spending account purchases, adding further convenience with a 1-year guarantee for peace of mind.